morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and today's shout out goes to Ashish Amatya. Ashish was first to say first in one of my recent videos, and thus wins this shout out, so congratulations. Good morning, Quadcopter 101, and as promised, we're going to do that 2S flight that I promised for the US65 Pro. Now I have two batteries attached in there. Let me center them here first, folks. But this will give us the 2S power. I already got one of them plugged in, but I need to plug the other into the bridle, and that'll power it up. And then we'll flip it into acro and see what this can do with 2S punch. So hold on, folks, while I get this ready. Okay, we are ready to go here. Let me put it into air. It's air acro, and adjusting my hood there, and arming it, and away we go. Yeah, you definitely notice the difference in power right away. It goes right into the air real fast. So, okay, what I want to do, folks, is I want to get used to it first. This is my first flight with it in 2S. Bring it by us. Now, it's been a while, a long while, since I've flown acro outdoors, folks, because of the move. So you're going to have to bear with me a bit. I'm going to go over here first off and see, okay, we're down to 34 already, so I'm not going to go much further than that in terms of RSSI. But going up, trying to flip over. Let's see what type of speed we can get here. Pretty good. Now, again, I don't have that camera tilted up very high, so we're not going to go too fast with this. Just try it around. Just monkeying around with this. It actually flies quite nice, folks, for a little tiny whoop. And the battery power is not too bad either. We're down at 7 volts right now, so that means 3.5 volts per cell. So it's doing nicely. Coming in. That's coming in fast again. Fast and lower. Going around. These pins are nice. They're smooth. Smooth and gentle, actually. I'm just messing around right now. It's okay. I'll be a little more serious here. Okay, 56, 48. I'm just trying to gauge what the RSSI is. RSSI is not too bad. I'm pretty high up right now. Let's see if I can see the Lake Erie from up here with this nice camera. Let's go up a bit higher. There's Lake Erie off in the distance. And coming back down from way up there with this tiny, tiny little thing did that. Went way up there. What happened there? I don't know, folks. So, let's slow it down a bit. Slowing it down a bit. Okay, speeding it up now. So yeah, this is a nice little drone. Coming around us there. Impressive for a little tiny whoop. 65mm tiny whoop. Type of range of, well, there we go, 35, 30. I'm right out at the edge of its range there. See that RSSI going down real low like that. You don't really want to do that. 6.6 volts, so but 3.3 volts per cell. We're getting kind of low. 3.5 volts. I'm going to start thinking about bringing it in here shortly without hitting my dog. So that's the 2S flight. I'm just going to be gentle right now to nudge out a little bit more voltage with this thing. A little more flight time with this. I want to see what type of flight time you can get if you nudge it. Right now we're about 3.25 volts per cell, which is getting low. At 3.2, we got to land it. Coming in. And there we go. That's its flight with 2S. Respectable flight time, I guess around 5 minutes total. So that's not too bad. So let me give you my final thoughts on this. take the hat cam for my wife. Sorry, no tie-dye today. It's a little too cold for tie-dye. So, yeah, it's a nice little flyer, indoor or outdoor. All around great flyer. Nice camera on it. I really like that camera, by the way. So, overall, yeah, these bridles do greatly reduce, if not eliminate, the sag or the voltage drop that you would see with the original US65. Much better flyer than the original US65, so I kind of like this one. So hope you enjoyed this flight. This is Quadcopter 101 from his new test facility. Quadcopter 101, signing out. Hi, Quadcopter 101 here again. Hey, if you want to get your own shout out in one of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's real simple. Just go to my channel page and click on that subscribe. And also make sure to click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I release a brand new video immediately and give you a chance to get that first shout out. So give it a try, folks.